by, until. A lot of students are not sure when it comes to these two prepositions, but they are really important and really common in English. So today let's look at that. I am Eva, or you can call me Eva. This is my Instagram, follow me there. And yeah, I think we can start straight away. Just one quick reminder, today I have a special bonus for you, and it's a free worksheet. You can just download it, click the link below and get your free worksheet, and you can practice by and until with this worksheet. All right, so let's start straight away. Sorry, you can probably hear the washing machine.
2 hours later.
Okay, look at these two sentences. Test yourself. By or until, or does it even matter? Okay, so let's go one by one. The first one, please pay the bill by Monday. Well done, if you were right. But if you were not sure, listen to this tip. So when it comes to by and until, you always have to look at the verb and at the meaning of the sentence. We have to look at the verb pay. If you pay the bill, you do it only once. You pay and it's done. So you pay before Monday or on Monday, but only, it's just you do the action and it's just once and it's done. Whereas, if you look at the second sentence, I would like to wait. Wait is something that continues for a long time. You wait and wait and wait the whole time. And that's the difference. And this is when we use until. Yes, so that's the tricky thing about these two prepositions. You have to look at the meaning and at the verb. So if you do something once, like you pay something, or you do something once and it's done and you have some kind of deadline and you do it before that deadline or on that day, use by. But if it's something that continues and it's longer and like the whole time you can imagine doing that activity, kind of, then it's until. Practice makes perfect. So let's practice more. What about this one? I stayed in bed until 11:30 because it continued. It was a long thing, yes? So you were lying in the bed and staying in the bed up until 11:30. The next one. I have to decide by tomorrow. Because you just decide. You don't need to decide every single second, every single minute, the whole time. You don't need to be deciding. You just need to make the decision once and you're done. So before tomorrow, yeah, that's your deadline, and then you're done. Good? The next one. I'm sorry, I will be away until Friday. Because I will be away the whole time. Again, I will be away. It's not something I can do once. It's something that continues. So until. One more. We hope to finish the project by. Usually you finish something again once. So you will be working on that, but you finish at that one moment. So finish by the end of the month. Good. And the last one, the shops are open until, because, the whole time they are open, it continues up until 5. Well done, well done. If you want more practice, remember, just download the free worksheet and you can practice even more. And my last question is, what about the difference between until and till? So what about these two words? How to use them? So it's the same thing, the meaning is the same, you can use them interchangeably. Till is just considered a little more informal. So maybe if you're writing your important formal academic essay, use until, yeah, but till is very, very common. So we can say, I stayed in bed till 11:30 or yeah, whatever. Well then, so let me know if this was helpful, if you learned something new here. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I look forward to making a new video soon. Take care.